Hello, what's your name?
My name is David.
Great job. Okay, now how old are you?
I'm 6.
Excellent. How are you today?
I see
I'm
good.
okay. Now, how many pigs do you see?
I see a.
I see.
I see a.
I see
I see
four.
4.
I see 4 pigs.
I see 4.
Now, what color are the pigs?
G
It's
E
pink.
E.
Now, what does a pig say?
On.
Very good. Now, is it a dog? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. What color is the dog? It's
E O.
it's brown.
It brown.
How many legs has it got? How many legs has it got?
E O. 4.
How many legs has it got? 4.
4.
Okay, now what is it?
E O. Row.
Great job. How many goats do you see?
I see a 4.
I see 4.
I see a 4.
Do you like goats?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now listen to teacher. Nay, nay. What is it? It's
E O. Horse.
Where is the horse? Can you point the horse? Where is the horse?
E
Horse.
horse.
Okay, now next. Moo, moo. What is it?
Cow. E O. Cow.
Great job. Quack, quack, quack. What is it?
E O. Duck.
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 Very good. Cockle doodle doo. What is it?
E O. Turtle.
Great.
Sign.
Okay, now here. Color the hen red. Let's color red. Okay, where is the hen? Hen. Okay. What color is the hen?
E. Red.
Very good. Now next, color the rabbit yellow. Where is yellow? Color yellow. Excellent. Okay. Very good. Now next, listen. What color is the rabbit?
E O. Yellow.
Great. Okay. What color is the? Oh, sorry. Color the whale purple. Purple. Where is purple? Look. Yes. Excellent. Now, where is the whale? Very good. What color is the whale?
E O.
It's
Bird.
purple.
Purple.
Okay. What animals do you like?
I like cat.
Very good. Do you like dog?
I'm good.
Yes, I do. Okay, so yes, I do.
Yes,
Okay, now listen to teacher. Okay, here. What letter is it?
I
Yeah, yeah.
Yellow.
Very good. Next.
Yo.
Very good. Now next letter is Z, Z,
Yo.
Z, Z. Zebra.
Zebra.
Now next.
Sheep.
Very good. Okay, high five to teacher. Very good.